These guys are not joking, man. They are not joking with you guys. Tinubu, oh, Tinubu. Baba wale o, wale o, wale o, wale o. Tinubu, àwọn mẹ́rin ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ́ kú ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́. Gbogbo wa ká jọ mẹ́rin ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ́ kú ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́. Tinubu, àwọn mẹ́rin ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ́ kú ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́. Gbogbo wa ká jọ mẹ́rin ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ́ kú ẹ̀wẹ́. Baba, I am not here to mock you. I am not happy because of your downfall. I am not here to mock your iniquity. I am not happy about what is happening to you. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni yín, ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Baba Tinubu, bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà, ọwọ́ tí yín náà ò mọ̀. Àmọ́ bí àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń gbà yín sọ̀tún, gbà yín sósì. Kò dùn mọ́ mi. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ọmọ pínpín tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Àdẹ̀rí olórí Fúlàní kan tàbí olórí Haúsá kan tó ní kó lọ pa ọmọ yìí. Sunday Igboho tí ìsọ tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí sọ o. Tẹ̀tí ní kó lọ pa mọ́lé o, ẹ mọ́ra yín o. Èmi ò dárúkọ ẹnìkan. Sunday Igboho sọ̀dájì eléyìí. Tẹ́tí pa àfà, tẹ́ pa àdògán. Àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní, wọ́n ti yàrí o, wọ́n yàrí o. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu. Dáhùn kí la bá pè náà? Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
I want to send this message to Senator Asiwaju Ahmad Bola Tinubu.
Okay, Angbo.
If you are giving money to northern governors, I want to advise you to please keep your money and stop giving it to them, because they are not succeeding in convincing northerners that you are competent and you have any plan for the north. Of course, you don't have any plan for the north. You.
Ṣé ti gbọ́? Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu dákun. Àkànbí ọmọ lóde òde, àkànbí ọ̀gọ̀, àkànbí àsùnlé, àkànbí ọ̀sùn, ọmọ kúlíkúlí ọmọ tó ń kú à. Ṣé gbọ́? Tọmọ kékeré yìí ń sọ. Ó lóun send the words sí Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ lè gbọ́ nítòsí. Ṣùgbọ́n kádi tí lè bá àgbọ́rọ̀ ni wọ́n tó ń sọ létí ọmọ ẹ̀. Káwa tá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá lè bá sọ fún bàbá wa. Ló ṣe sọ lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ló rán wa sí yín. Ó rán wa sí yín ní Yorubawuyi mú wá bí láti wá jíṣẹ́ fún yín bàbá. Ó ní kẹ́ bá ti ń fún àwọn northern governors lówó. Ó ní kẹ́ bá ó lóun advice pé kẹ́ má fún wọn. Ó ní because they are unable to convince àwọn láti dìbò fún yín, láti sọ fún àwọn pé ẹ wà competent and pé ẹ tiẹ̀ ní plan kankan fún north despite owó tẹ́ lọ ń gbé fún wọn 50 million. Ọjà bá ti jóná by 50 million ni. Kí ni kò yẹ kan 50 million. 50 million tẹ́ fún wọn ní 2022 òun ló ń lọ yẹn. Ẹ fún wọn ní 50 million ní Niger State. Ìjọ́ kejì ìyàwó first lady Niger State bọ́ta ó láwọn ò lè dìbò fún drug baron. Àwọn ò lè dìbò fún ní gbánádáńgbáná. Ọ̀pọ̀ gbówó tẹ́ fún wọn. Wọ́n pẹ́ fáwọn governors àwọn lówó. Ìyàbá àti ẹ̀jà wa pa ní South West. Kọjá wa jóná kò sí nǹkan tó kàn yín. Bínú sí. Bí bàbá wọn Buhari tẹ́ gbé wọlé. Bó ṣe ya fi bí sólóore. Àwọn ọmọ náà ti ya fi bí sólóore fún yín o. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, àwọn mẹ́rin ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ́ kú ẹ̀wẹ́lẹ́. Gbogbo wa ká jọ mẹ́rin ìjọba. Kò sí ejò làwọn people yìí wọn ò ṣe nunu fún. Èèyàn ò lè nu ẹnu fún ejò. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o. Ọmọ Fúlàní sọ̀rọ̀.
Going to Kano, you told Kano people that you went there to dance. The whole of Kano, the most densely populated state in the whole of Africa. You are telling them you just go there to dance. You don't have any plan for them. So we are not comfortable with you. You went to Bauchi, you only dance. Ṣẹ́tìrì, Kano tẹ́ lọ. Tẹ́ ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé we want mo wá sí Kano wa mo kàn wá jó fún yín. I am here to dance for you. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá sọ ní one twist. Because èyàn kì í ṣe àlọ́ fún ẹni tí ò bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ yàn. Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu, there is nothing you will say that will convenience these people. They are not convenient with you. They are not convenient with you ni. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Because you say you are here to dance for them, they say so you only have dance for them. Wọ́n rántí àwọn owó tẹ́ ń fún wọn. Wọ́n rántí pé ẹ̀yin lẹ gbé Buhari bàbá wọn sí débẹ̀ o. Ìyẹn ó ṣoore níwájú wọn. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹni tí ò bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín, a lọ ran ká o, kò nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín ni. Èmi ò kì í ṣàlọ́fẹ́ ẹni tí ò bá fẹ́ràn mi. Àwọn people yìí, wọn ò fẹ́ Yorùbá. Bàbá Tinubu ẹ̀ kan tira sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. You couldn't speak up your mind. You couldn't express yourself. You couldn't point out your plans for them. You couldn't even bring any policy, plan, blueprint. You don't have anything for us. We are not going to vote for you. So this government.
Njegbo, we are not going to vote for you. You couldn't express yourself. You couldn't tell us your plan. You couldn't tell us this. You couldn't tell us that. They forgot in 2015. Buhari couldn't tell us anything in the Southwest. Buhari couldn't tell us what he asked for us. It was Tinubu that was speaking on Buhari's on behalf. Tinubu was speaking on behalf of Buhari in 2015. Buhari was unable to tell us anything. Wọ́n mú wá bí ẹdìyẹ tó ń yàgbẹ́ ni. Buhari lójú kalẹ̀ báyìí ni. I could remember but to walk out to the tie. Orí ẹ̀ padà sẹ́yìn báyìí ló wò bí igun. Tinubu ló ń gba wájú ló ń gba ẹ̀yìn. But now, Tinubu, you are on your own or you're low. Wow. They don't leave you for your matter. Nobody is speaking on your behalf. Even Buhari, it's not there for you. Buhari mọ̀ pọ̀ tó ń ṣe. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò ní fọ́ọ̀tì fún yín. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ o. Ẹ̀yin APC mo pé ma tó gé mi jẹ. Èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ. Ọ̀n tó sọ lẹ́ ń wò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè jàre àbùkù.
Northerners are not succeeding in convincing Northerners to vote for you. Even though you have picked up a Muslim as your running mate, even if you are to pick our most respected Muslim personality, somebody of, permit me to say, His Royal Highness, our father, Sultan Abubakar of Sokoto, even if you are to pick him, I know he's not going to accept being your running mate, he's too big for that. Even if you pick somebody of that caliber, we are still not going to vote for you.
Despite you pick up Shetima, a Muslim, a Northerner, as your running mate, Baba wọn làwọn ò ní dìbò fún yín. Mo ti ń ṣe fídíò oríṣiríṣi náà ti ń sọ pé àwọn ò ní dìbò fún yín. Because they don't want you. Ilẹ̀ làwọn people yìí fẹ́. Kì í ṣe election. Ilẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́. Wọ́n ní Obama, Sultan of Sokoto. Kó jẹ́ running mate, àwọn ò ní dìbò fún yín.
Because we don't believe in APC.
Wọ́n làwọn ò ní dìbò fún yín. Ó tẹ̀ tó wá ṣe. Sultan of Sokoto kò tiẹ̀ lè bárù yín ṣe running mate. Sultan of Sokoto are not even the most respected. You see, they say the most respected Sultan of Sokoto. Do we refer Oni as the most respected Oni of Ife? No. Do we refer Baba Alaafin Oyo as the most respected? No. Baba Banji Akintoye. Do we call him the most respected? No, because they already succeeded in dividing the Oromo Kekere Yoruba and àwọn àgbààgbà Yoruba. They already succeeded. Their mission is accomplished. Wọ́n ti dá àárín ẹ̀yin àti àwọn kékèké tí yín rú. Àwọn àtàwọn àgbààgbà wọn, àárín wọn bó ṣe gún ni. Unity ni wọ́n ń lò. Ìṣọ̀kan ni wọ́n ń lò. Tó bá ṣubí, tó bá ṣupa, àwọn àgbà wọn máa tẹ̀lé wọn ni. Wọ́n pa Deborah o. Àwọn àgbààgbà wọn dúró tì wọ́n lẹ́yìn ni o. Táwa bá bọ́ta ní Southwest, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tá bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà tí wálé máa ní kàn lọ pa wá o. Ṣé rojú yín? Àgbà tí ò kẹrùn sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ yín. Mo sọ fún yín pé máa kẹtàn sáré. Ẹ ti ń kẹtàn sáré nísìn o. Ẹ sì máa padà kẹtàn ya. Àwọn ọmọ burúkú yìí, wọ́n ṣe Sandoro fún yín. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè Abu.
APC have destroyed northern economy. APC have destroyed northern security. APC have put this country in a big mess. We are not just comfortable with APC, and anything that has to do with APC in the north way is a no for us. We are not going to vote for you.
APC has destroyed northern security. APC has destroyed northern Kinikon. APC has just oríṣiríṣi. Mo sọ fún yín about Tinubu. Buhari is doing this. Pẹ̀lú ọmọ ṣe ni. Buhari mọ̀ by APC. I am not APC member. I am not a politician. I am just telling you pé Buhari mọ̀ by APC jẹ́. Wọ́n lè bá ní excuse ni. He did all this insecurity intentionally. Kí àwọn náà ti lè bá wọ́n lè bá hate APC ni because ó mọ̀ pé you are coming as the next president. And they don't want you there. They still want another Northerner. Ọgbọ́n ni wọ́n fi ń campaign fún Atiku báyìí o. We don't want APC. Now they want PDP. Right? Right?
In Allah da ku karba ba zai muku amfani ba. Duk matsalar da muke da ita na rashin tsaro a arewa, a ce yau gwamnonin mu na arewa ku taba hada kanku kun je kun zauna da Buhari kun tattauna akai ba kuma an kawo maslaha. sai akan bukatan kanku zo lokacin da ku san barin gwamnati saboda kun raina mu to wallahi ba za mu yi Tinubun ba. Ba za mu yi Tinubun ba. Ba za mu yi Tinubun ba.
Torí àwọn tí ó bá gbọ́ yìnbó ó tún wá sọ fáwọn family wọn láwùsá pé Basami Tinubu ń bà, Basami Tinubu ń bà, Basami ABC bà, Basami ABC bà, wọn ò fẹ́ Tinubu, wọn ò fẹ́ APC. Wo baba, in the other world they are going for their family. O èèyàn tí wọn ni wọ́n lọ fún. They don't want us. They don't want you. They don't want Yoruba. They want power to remain in the north. Hey! Ojú gbogbo wa ló máa já. Kí ni mo sọ fún yín? Ojú gbogbo wa òun ló máa já. Mo wí fún yín tó ẹ̀yin lẹ ò gbà o. Mo wí fún yín tó ẹ̀yin lẹ ò gbà o. Bàbá Tinubu kò sọ̀rọ̀ níbẹ̀ o, ẹ̀yin lẹ ò gbà o.